Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Alex.
And how old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Okay. Now tell me, what are the problems that you are facing?
Since yesterday night, I've been having severe stomachache. I took an antacid last night, but the pain was still the same.
Okay. Any other symptoms?
Yeah, I also had bouts of vomiting last night and today morning as well.
Do you have a headache?
No,
Did you have this kind of stomachache before?
yes, doctor, I had it once before.
How many days ago?
Almost 2 months ago, but at that time the pain stopped after I took an antacid.
Okay. Please lie on that bed. I have to check.
Okay, doctor.
Does it hurt here?
Yes, doctor, it hurts a lot.
Okay. You can get up now.
Is it something serious, doctor?
I can't say now. I'm writing down some tests. Try to do this by today.
But what about now? I can't even walk properly because of the pain.
I understand. I'm giving you an injection for temporary relief.
Oh, injection? Don't you have any medicine?
Why are you scared of injection?
It's no like that. I mean, it would be better if you could give some medicine.
Nothing will happen. You won't even feel it. Look at that side.
Please, doctor, be careful.
You can open your eyes now. It's already done.
Oh, it's done. Thank you so much. I did not feel anything at all.
After receiving the test reports, bring them to me as soon as possible.
There is nothing to fear, right?
Don't be so scared beforehand. Let's see the reports first.
Won't you give me any medicines, doctor?
I'm prescribing this medicine. It's just for today. Take it after your dinner.
Okay, doctor. Where shall I submit the FEs?
Please submit that in the cash counter.
Thank you, doctor.
Welcome.
Here are the reports of the tests that you give.
Oh yeah, let me check them. It's not that serious. Nothing to worry about. It was just food poisoning. I'm writing down a medicine. Please take them for 1 week after dinner.
Okay, doctor.
And you face this problem again, come back immediately.
Sure, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.